How's it going, everyone? I hope you guys are having a great day. Welcome back to another Web Dev Junkie video. So I found this little site called CodeRacer. It's called app.coderacer.dev. But basically, it's a site that I think probably uses WebSockets where you can go and practice your typing skills with JavaScript, Python, or Java against other people. So that is what I'm going to do. Typing is the key factor to know if you're good at programming or not. So let's see how good I am against other people in the world. A lot of pressure. I got to get first place. Let me zoom out some. This site, all right, let me focus. Let's see how fast I can type this. Bet you all can't beat me. So this is just a stupid little video where I thought it'd be interesting to show how fast I could type or how slow I could type against some other people. Oh, I type so fast it thinks I'm hacking. Oh no. I'm on fire right now. I'd be interested to know if any of my subscribers can type faster than me. Yeah, so when you type so fast you can get first place, they make you do another test. So 467 characters per minute on that one. My keyboard caught on fire on that one. That's pretty quick, huh? Alright, so this site, just a little information about this site. It's really buggy. There's a lot of bugs. Like sometimes the racing progress bars don't work. Sometimes this stuff doesn't work as you'd expect it to, but I think it's really important to become efficient at typing, and not necessarily typing fast, but typing accurately. There's so many times where I'm like in a meeting and I'm like sharing my screen and I'm trying to type out like a variable and I keep mistyping something, or I forget to put the right money sign character or something, and I have to keep on doing backspace and then fix it, and I end up typing the wrong character again, and it's just really frustrating to me. I don't think other people really care, but I care. And I think typing accurately and fast with whatever programming language you're using is an important metric to improve on. So what I like to do, what I'm going to try to do every morning is just do a couple of rounds of these to warm up my fingers and warm up my mind-body connection, I guess you could say, so that I can be more accurate when I'm typing in my day job. And you might say, dude, like when you're using VS Code, you use your mouse and stuff and you copy and paste code, and you're like, yeah, you're right. But there's so many times in other places like Slack, you're messaging people, you might type the incorrect stuff. You might type in the wrong API key and it messes stuff up. Okay, let's focus. Whew, they're catching up on me. Oh no. 405. All right. I got the highest score. C Cyber 1 and 3 is also me. Cody Cyber, that's me. But I decided to make a Web Dev Junkie account just because I gotta represent this YouTube channel out there so people know what's up. All right, so this is I'm just kind of wasting time and having some fun, but I'm gonna do a couple more of these just to kind of reflect on you all. But I'm sure if I did Python or Java, I would bomb out. But let me just do like one or two more just for fun, and I'm gonna end this video because there's really no point to this video. All right, these are my opponents. Let's go ahead and crush them. Ooh, this one looks hard. Wait, is this the one I just did? He's surrounded. Nope. See, like I made a mistake right there and I had to backspace everything. And it's just, oh, another mistake. Let me focus. Oh no, regex, this is gonna be insane. Money sign, where's that? See, there's like certain characters that I just can't type for some reason. Uh-oh. Luckily it turns a different color of yellow. Oh no, what did I miss? This editor, get text and buffer range. See, like this is the bugs I'm talking about. It's like I probably have a small... Oh, it's a plus sign. Dang, bro, that just messed me up like 100 characters per minute. I'm just having some fun right now. I'm gonna do one more for you all. One more, just one more. And I hope this is, oh, this one looks easy. Always warm up your fingers. You don't want to pull a tendon or something or break a ligament, okay? Typing is a very, very dangerous sport. We should make some type of typing competition where you can win money. Alright, let's do this. Is this a new line? No, probably not. Okay, I said that was my last one, but I'm gonna do one more because this is... I want to do it so fast that it prompts me to make sure I'm not like a robot. Because that's when you know you're good. When the app says, hey, do some more typing because I need to verify you can actually type correctly, that's when you know you made it, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. I think I messed up somewhere there. I can't stop. I can't stop. It's frustrating. I need to be able to beat top score, which happens to be, I don't know what the top score from this. Alright, this is a snippet from React.js, so maybe it's something I can actually figure out how to type correctly. React children. If I talk out loud. What did I mess up there? Oh, what did I mess up? Sometimes you just gotta retype it. Anyway, yeah, if you can type faster than me, I challenge you all to type faster than me. If you can, let me know in the comments below. But again, I think typing again is important. It's just, this is just something fun. People, I have an interesting story about my dad. He used 2 fingers to type and he's been coding for like 30 years, so. Oh no, dude, I'm killing it. Like, not in a good way either. Yeah, this is my last one. I just can't do it today. Spring 36. What? It says 427 here for CPM. My accuracy is 113%. Like, what does that even mean? What does that even mean, y'all? Oh, I'm still first place with that high score, so later, boys.